Hello, everyone. Welcome to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode number 65. My name is Lily, and I'm sitting here with my best friend, Ben. Hi, Ben.
Hi, Lily. Hi, dear listeners. So nice to be with you again. Today is a very interesting topic. We talk about phones, our phones, and apps. Everyone has a phone now, right?
Yes, almost everyone. Even my grandma has a phone now. She sends me photos of her flowers. So cute. Ben, tell me, do you remember your very first phone? Not smartphone, just normal phone.
Oh, yes. It was small, black, with buttons. I could only call and send SMS. Very short messages like, I'm home. Now phones do everything. Lily, when did you get your first smartphone?
I think 7 years ago, maybe 8. It felt like magic. Suddenly I had internet in my pocket, camera, music, games, everything. Okay, listeners, today we will learn how to talk about our phones and our favorite apps. Very useful English. Simple sentences, slow and clear. Ready? Let's start.
Great. First question for everyone. What phone do you have? iPhone or Android?
I have iPhone. It's white, small, light, very nice in my hand. Ben, your phone.
Mine is Android, Samsung. Big screen, black color. I like big screen because I watch YouTube and movies. Okay, listeners, repeat after me slowly. I have an iPhone. I have an Android phone. Good, very good.
Now, let's talk about size and color. My phone is small. Ben's phone is big. My phone is white. Ben's phone is black. Easy, right? You can say, my phone is big and red, or my phone is small and blue. Try it at home. Say it out loud.
Yes, and now, very important word, smartphone. Smartphone equals telephone. It's like a small computer, touch screen, internet, camera, apps. Repeat, I have a smartphone. Nice.
Perfect. Now, do you use your phone every day? I do. Every single day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Then,
Me too. First thing in the morning, I check my phone. What time is it? Then weather. Is it sunny, rainy, cold? I look at weather app.
same here. Weather app is very useful. I say, what's the weather today? My app says, today is sunny, 22 degrees. Listeners, repeat, what's the weather today? Good.
Okay, favorite app time. Lily, what is your number one app? The app you open most?
Easy question. WhatsApp. I use WhatsApp all the time. I send messages, voice messages, photos, videos. I call my mom, my sister, my friends. It's free. No money for calls. Wonderful app.
I agree. WhatsApp is super. My number one? Instagram. I open Instagram many times a day. I look at photos, stories, reels. I see what my friends eat, where they travel. It's fun. Listeners, repeat slowly. My favorite app is Instagram. My favorite app is WhatsApp. Try both.
Now, how to say it in English. Very simple patterns. Listen and repeat. I use, I like, my favorite app is. Examples. I use WhatsApp every day. I like Instagram very much. My favorite app is YouTube.
Good. Now your turn, listeners. Think, what is your favorite app? Say it in your head. My favorite app is... Say it 3 times. Excellent.
Let's talk about music next. Music apps are popular. Ben, do you listen to music on your phone?
Yes, every day. When I walk, when I clean my room, when I cook. My music app is Spotify. Spotify has millions of songs. It makes playlists for me. Morning music, relax music, run music. I love it.
Nice. I use YouTube music sometimes, but I also listen to podcasts, like our podcast. Other people use Apple Music or Deezer. Many choices.
True. Let's practice sentences about music. I listen to music on my phone. I use Spotify. My favorite song is... I like pop music, or rock music, or Kazakh music. Lily, what music do you like?
I like calm music, acoustic, and Kazakh songs, of course. Listeners, what music do you like? Think and say, I like music.
Great. Now, camera. Almost everyone uses camera app. Lily, do you take photos?
Oh, yes, many photos. Food photos, selfies, photos with friends, photos of sky, photos of my cat. The camera on my phone is very good. Clear, has filters. I can make photos beautiful.
Same. I take photos of my dog. He's so funny. Selfie, Monica, photo sebe. Repeat, selfie. I also take videos, short videos for TikTok or Instagram.
TikTok. Let's talk about TikTok. I watch TikTok. Short videos, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Very funny. Dances, jokes, cooking recipes, animals. I laugh a lot.
Yes, but be careful. Too much TikTok equals too much screen time. Screen time, Monica, vremie pered ekranem. My phone shows me every week you had 5 hours screen time yesterday. Wow, too much.
True. I try to limit, maybe 2 hours a day, not more. Listeners, do you know your screen time? Check your phone later. Ask yourself, what is my screen time?
Good idea. Now let's practice a small dialogue. Imagine we meet in a cafe. Ready?
Hi, Ben. Nice to see you.
Hi, Lily. Nice to see you too. What phone do you have now?
I have iPhone 14. It's pink. Very pretty. And you?
Samsung S23. Blue. Big screen. Do you use TikTok?
Yes, I watch TikTok every evening. And you?
I use Instagram more, but sometimes TikTok too. What other apps?
WhatsApp, YouTube, camera, maps, and Duolingo. I learn English.
Cool. I use Spotify, Gmail, Google Maps, and games.
Games? What games do you play?
Simple games. Sudoku, word games, sometimes Candy Crush. Relaxing.
Me too. Candy Crush is fun. Okay, listeners, now you try. Make your own short dialogue with a friend or in your head. Ask, what phone do you have? What apps do you use? Easy.
Perfect practice. Now, more apps. Shopping apps. I use Kaspi.kz. Very popular in Kazakhstan. Pay, buy, see balance, convenient.
Yes, Kaspi is great. Also, Wildberries. I buy clothes online, shoes, bags. Easy. No need to go to shop.
True. Food apps. Glovo, Wolt, Yandex Food. I order pizza, sushi, plov. I'm hungry. Let's order food.
Yum! Maps again. Google Maps or 2GIS. I never get lost now. Turn left, turn right. You arrive in 5 minutes.
Health apps. Pedometer. Steps. I walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps every day. My phone counts.
Me too. And heart rate sometimes. Very useful.
Banking apps. Check money, send money to friends, pay bills. Safe with fingerprint or face.
Yes, no more paper money all the time.
News apps. Tangri News, Infoboro, or BBC Learning English. Good for our listeners.
Yes, short news, simple English, great practice.
Calendar, reminders. Doctor at 3 p.m. Call mom at 7 p.m.
Alarms. I set many alarms. Morning alarm, lunch alarm.
And translation. Google Translate. Very helpful when you travel.
But try to speak English without it sometimes. Practice.
And ebooks. I read books on phone. No heavy book in bag.
Yes, Kindle app or other readers.
Games again. PUBG sometimes, but not too much. Study first.
Right. Study apps. Duolingo, Quizlet, Memrise, flashcards.
Photo editors. PixArt, Canva make beautiful pictures.
Video editors, CapCut, fun for TikTok.
Meditation, calm app, relax, breathe, good for stress.
Sleep apps, track sleep. You slept 7 hours.
Now, problems with phone.
Sometimes phone is slow or battery low. My battery is 5%. I need to charge.
Or my phone is broken. Screen is cracked. I dropped my phone.
Then repair shop or new phone.
Lost phone. Scary, but find my device or find my iPhone helps find it.
Good apps save us.
Okay, listeners, we talked a lot today. Let's review slowly. Keywords: smartphone, app, download, battery, charge, camera, selfie, maps, screen time, WhatsApp.
Wonderful. You learned many new words and sentences today. You did great.
For homework, easy and fun. Talk to someone, friend, family, or even yourself in mirror. Tell about your phone. Say 5 things: what phone you have, color and size, favorite app, other apps you use, screen time, or one more thing. Try. And if you want, write in comments. My favorite app is.
We read all comments. We love them.
Thank you so much for listening. You are amazing. Keep practicing English every day. Even 10 minutes helps a lot.
See you in next episode. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.